The snowflake white pearl exterior. Sorry, it's a bit bright out here. Now for the 2017 model, they've added a lot of upgrades that will look when we get inside the vehicle. You have alloy rims as well as a bigger tire size on these for 2017 as well. Alright, getting into the vehicle, you can see that we have an all-matching black leatherette interior. This is a high synthetic form of leather, so it's going to last you a long time. That's actually an upgrade for the 2017 model. You also have the espresso trim around. Now the screen is more integrated into here, so it's a nicer look to it. You have 2 heated front seats and a dual zone AC, also upgrades for the touring model for 2017. You have power seats on the driver's side, that would be another upgrade. Your Bluetooth and cruise control as well as your radio are all right here on the steering wheel. And then we'll get you another view of the back end. This is also the model that's going to have the alert features, the blind spot monitoring, the cross traffic. You have a keyless entry system, and your backup camera displays right down here on the touch screen.